morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Aiden Numerato speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some food.
Sir, do you have a menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes,
May I have your name and room number, please?
my name is Jerome and my room number is 204.
Thank you for that information. Okay, Sir Jerome of room 204. Can I take your order?
I want a tapsilog and orange juice.
Would you like a pancake? How about some orange juice to go with it? Is there anything else that would you like to order?
I want also the pancake.
Okay, Sir Jerome, may I repeat your order? You order for pancake, tapsilog, orange juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right away or a specific time? The total amount of your bill is 685 pesos. Are you paying in cash or change it to your room? Is there anything else that I can help with you?
No,
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Good morning, sir. This is your room service order. May I come in?
yes, come in.
Sir, would you like me to leave the food on the trolley or do you want me to transfer it on the table? This is your orange juice. Okay. Would you like me to open the curtain to bright up your room?
No,
Is there anything else I can do for you, sir?
no.
Okay, sir, here's your bill. Sir, when do you want me to come back to clear your solid dishes? If you are ready, please call us and dial 122. Thank you so much. Sir, enjoy your meal and have a nice day.